Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can bypass character AI filter on mobile. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First of all, open the character AI app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Here, select the target character from your recent chats or just look for it in the Explore tab. Once you have found it, access it, and then try to ask using hidden words. Don't be too direct as it will trigger the filter and you won't be able to get an answer. Once the character is comfortable with you, then you will be able to ask freely and have a conversation. Before that, you should refrain from using direct terminologies and try using synonyms. If you tried this out, you will be able to ask anything without getting filtered. So that's basically how you can bypass character AI filter on mobile. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.